Looking for a powerful GPS drone with smart flight features without spending a fortune? Then please watch this full video to know which drone is the best overall. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best budget drones, perfect for beginners, hobby flyers, and anyone who wants advanced features like obstacle avoidance and GPS flight at an affordable price. Let's get started, starting with number 5. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below, feel free to check them out. Number 5. Potensic ATOM SE. The Potensic ATOM SE is a sub-249 grams GPS drone equipped with a 4K camera, single-axis gimbal stabilization, and an impressive up to 4 km transmission range. Its lightweight design means no FAA registration is required for recreational users in the US. Product review. This drone stands out for reliability and precision. The stabilized camera produces noticeably smoother footage than most budget drones, and GPS positioning is extremely accurate. It's an excellent choice for beginners who want dependable performance and clean video quality. Pros: true 4K camera with gimbal stabilization. Lightweight and FAA friendly. Very accurate GPS positioning. Excellent build quality. Number 4. V168 Pro MAX. This V168 Pro MAX model features a dual camera system, 360 degrees obstacle avoidance, GPS flight assistance, FPV transmission, and a foldable design. It's designed for entry-level pilots looking for maximum features at a low price. Product review. The dual camera setup gives users more flexibility when flying, and obstacle avoidance adds confidence for beginners. While the advertised 8K resolution is software-enhanced, image quality is still good for casual recording and practice flights. Pros: dual camera setup. GPS return to home safety. Obstacle avoidance support. Easy to fly for beginners. Number 3. Xiaomi V198 MAX. The Xiaomi V198 GPS MAX comes with brushless motors, 5G Wi-Fi FPV, laser-based obstacle avoidance, and a foldable portable design. It's built for stable and efficient flight performance. Product review. This drone is appreciated for its smooth hovering and motor durability. Brushless motors improve wind resistance and lifespan. Camera quality is suitable for beginners, especially in good lighting conditions. Pros: brushless motors. Foldable and travel-friendly. Stable GPS flight. Good battery efficiency. Number 2. K19 MAX GPS. The K19 MAX features a large built-in screen remote controller, GPS positioning, obstacle avoidance, and a foldable design. The built-in display eliminates the need for a smartphone during flight. Product review. Users love the convenience of the integrated screen, making this drone very beginner-friendly. GPS stability is solid, and overall flight control is smooth. It's a great option for pilots who want simplicity and smart features in one package. Pros: built-in screen controller. No phone required. Stable GPS hovering. Easy setup and operation. Number 1. V168 Pro MAX. The 2025 V168 Pro MAX is a feature-packed GPS drone offering 360 degrees obstacle avoidance, brushless motors, 5G Wi-Fi FPV, intelligent auto flight modes, and a large screen controller. Product review. This drone delivers the best overall value in the budget category. It combines advanced safety features, stable GPS flight, and smooth handling. Obstacle avoidance and smart flight modes make it ideal for beginners, while performance is strong enough for experienced hobbyists. Pros: best feature to price ratio. Advanced obstacle avoidance. Brushless motor performance. Reliable GPS and smart flight modes. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below, feel free to check them out. After reviewing all 5 drones, the best budget drone of 2025 is the 2025 V168 Pro MAX GPS drone. It offers the strongest combination of smart features, flight stability, safety technology, and overall value, making it the top choice for budget drone buyers. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more top tech reviews.